All right, so hi everyone. Good to see all the beautiful faces from all around the world. So we've put up a proposal in the Fund10 open source developer ecosystem to create an educational video series on token engineering. So token engineering is about the design, verification, optimization, and optimization of token-based ecosystems. It's a powerful skill that combines economics, game theory, market design, mechanism design, and complex systems modeling to build sustainable, adaptable, and fair economies in the digital world. So why do we need token engineering? Well, in the rapidly evolving world of Cardano, it's crucial that we develop systems designed for fairness, resilience, and inclusivity. But we need more people to practice these skills to design better incentives and disincentives, therefore creating true systemic change. Token engineering is already established in Ethereum. We want to bring it to Cardano. We will provide an introductory video outlining the course curriculum and share the journey of how myself, a mechanical engineer, and Jack, a commercial arts major, entered Cardano and started practicing token engineering and developing Plutus smart contracts. Hopefully this inspires and attracts more talent to Cardano. We will also provide 6 video tutorials covering token engineering content, which will be supplemented by documentation such as notebooks, CAD models, and recommended learning sources. A stakepool model has been developed using CAD. This is a powerful tool that stakepool operators can use to optimize their parameters as well as gauge expected rewards. Community engagement will be at the forefront since this is for the betterment of the people in Cardano. And so the knowledge and skills that will be required from this course will open doors to many opportunities. It'll empower people to contribute to projects, create value, and ultimately shape our digital future. So we ask that you spread the awareness of token engineering, share and vote for this proposal. And the long-term goal here is really to make Cardano a hub of token engineering. To change the financial operating system, we need to understand how tokens can incentivize and disincentivize collective behavior. Thanks.